Hello everybody, it's Suzanne here, Face to Face Beauty, where I teach you how to do your makeup. I'm going to be doing a Allure beauty box reveal today. I haven't done one in a while, thought why not? It's still COVID-19 time, and let's go see what this box has in it together this time. I love these boxes. Allure beauty box. Okay, let's open up and see what we got. All right, the brochure. I'm not going to spoil the surprise by looking at the brochure. But here, let's open. Ooh, look at all these goodies this time. Okay, let's very quickly go through here. All right, this box is, Victorial Flower Bomb Eau de Parfum. Love, 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 love. Cute little perfume this time. Very nice. Glad to have it. Next is a Sia Pear Derma Green Solution Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. Okay. Ooh, it smells very nice. Very... what is it? Maybe eucalyptus in here? Or what does it say? The Dr. Jart Sia Pear Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. One broad spectrum SPF 30. Direction: apply a moderate amount after a moisturizer. The formula will change from green to beige to help correct the look of redness to even out the skin. Great. Okay, perfect. Moving right along. Now we have Le by Sean or Jean Co. Balance Hydration Calming Serum. It says directions. Step 2 of the L'Oreal's Skin Solution Set. Apply a thin layer all over your face. Use morning and night. Can be used separately within any skincare regime. All right. There we go. A little bit on my hand. Ooh, it's like water. Ooh, doesn't smell like anything. So if that's step 2, I wonder what step 1 is. All right. Next is Thrive Cosmetics Lip Filler Lip Liner. This box got a little damaged, but that's okay. Let's see, what is this? Ooh, beautiful red lip liner. Thank you. Does it say anything? I don't know. Can't. Bigger Than Beauty. For product your purchase, donate to your Women's Thrive. Okay, next is, all right, Allure Skin Balance Toner. Ooh, this is great. Okay, Allure Balance Toner. It says, this fine, non-sticky toner of rose and orange blossom sets gently into your skin to provide the hydration. Balance enables greater absorption of nutrients by lowering skin surface tension. Formulated to strengthen the acid mantle layer by restoring pH balance to optimum level, keeping environmental pathogens out. Fabulous. Next is the, Even NYC Main Magic multi-benefit 10-in-1 primer with powered by argan oil plus sunflower seed oil, 100% vegan, no sulfates, no parabens, and no phthalates. Okay, all right, this is for the hair. And last but not least, here comes Pulse's Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask. Great. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time, Suzanne.